How would you like to be able to generate B2B referred leads on demand with no ad spend? Leads that actually convert like crazy because they're high quality, and giving you a growth strategy that you can actually generate these leads on demand by working with referral partnerships with a process that's both duplicatable and scalable, and a way for you to go to market and promote alongside your referral partners. This referral partnerships build a fast start program, help you design your referral partner program, build that program, and launch and scale that referral partner program. We're going to help you connect, communicate, and collaborate with partners in a way that drives referred leads consistently. We're going to give you the strategies, scripts, and the technology to turnkey the process. And we're going to show you how to have conversations with your existing clients and connections in a way that drives referral partnership engagement and actually drives lead generation. We're going to give you the frameworks, prompts, and tools to build out the process quickly and easily. And then we're going to give you the strategies and tactics on how to collaborate with referral partners in a way that, again, drives more leads. So if you want more details on the Partnerships Build a Fast Start program, just check out the details below.